Hello everyone. In this video, we are looking at on the next step, that is adopting a PANDA NFT. The first step, make sure you log in. Then we go on the menu and click on adoption. From this page, we are going to adopt our first NFT. Here you will see your wallet balance for both Wave and Panda's tokens. Make sure your wallet balance should be greater than the amount shown on the adoption button. Let's click on Adopt button. You will see the adoption process is started. Wait for 120 seconds. Make sure you do not refresh or reload the page, otherwise you will lose your PANDA NFT. Let's skip the time. Now we have received the notification that we can finish the adoption now. So let's click on the Finish Adoption button. Now we have successfully adopted a new NFT token. Let's check your wallet balance first. You can see the 1.01 PANDA token is used for adoption. Let's see our newly adopted PANDA NFT. Open the menu and click on My Collection option. This is our newly created NFT Panda's token. Click on the token to see the details. On the left side, we have full view of NFT, and on the right side, we have its details like its birth timestamp, production rate, etc. On the attributes tab, we can see details of each item on the character. So thus, we adopt our first PANDA NFT on the platform.